20 bird names in English. Parrot. Parrot. A colorful bird that can copy sounds. Example, the parrot talks to people. Sparrow. Sparrow. A small brown bird that lives near houses. Example, the sparrow sings on the tree. Pigeon. Pigeon. A bird often seen in cities. Example, the pigeon eats grains on the ground. Crow. Crow. A black bird that makes a loud sound. Example, the crow sits on the wall. Peacock. Peacock. A large bird with beautiful feathers. Example, the peacock dances in the rain. Eagle. Eagle. A strong bird that flies very high. Example, the eagle catches fish from the water. Owl. Owl. A night bird with big eyes. Example, the owl hunts at night. Duck. Duck. A water bird with a flat beak. Example, the duck swims in the pond. Hen. Hen. A farm bird that lays eggs. Example, the hen lays an egg every day. Rooster. Rooster. A male hen that crows in the morning. Example, the rooster crows at sunrise. Goose. Goose. A large water bird like a duck. Example, the goose walks near the lake. Swan. Swan. A big white bird with a long neck. Example, the swan swims gracefully. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. A bird that pecks trees with its beak. Example, the woodpecker makes holes in the tree. Kingfisher. Kingfisher. A small colorful bird that catches fish. Example, the kingfisher dives into the river. Flamingo. Flamingo. A tall pink bird with long legs. Example, the flamingo stands on one leg. Penguin. Penguin. A black and white bird that cannot fly. Example, the penguin walks on the ice. Seagull. Seagull. A white seabird that flies near the ocean. Example, the seagull catches fish in the sea. Hawk. Hawk. A fast bird that hunts small animals. Example, the hawk flies quickly in the sky. Dove. Dove. A white bird that is a sign of peace. Example, the dove flies above the trees. Canary. Canary. A small yellow bird that sings sweetly. Example, the canary sings in its cage. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. Check out our other videos to learn more words. See you in the next lesson.